singi ke baar jong ka Dorbar senrai jong ka Iing Dorbar thau Iing ke jela ka balalong haga khandai terik unai lor arajar arposan ka ba nakaliang nong mikmat naga nongkrem constituency uba Arden Miller Basayamoin lawan ra e kamat banyatai halor ka Jingkyu state jong ka Jingkynrei jong drugs ba ka Jingpur state jong ka Jingpang HIV haga jela ka balashim bantalang banyatai bat ban ai Jingmut halor ka ne kaman Lagi nong mikmat syagaying Dorbar thau Iing ke jela kiba kentup nadu kiba don hakaliang persya bat kumju kiba don hakaliang sorkar kiba kentup yuba pol lingdo Wemeli ka Mauprem constituency upa sustenance satun Wemeli ka Jirang constituency Kamiani di Shira Emily ka Ampati constituency u Dr. Mukul Sangma MLA ka Songsak constituency upa Renekton El Tongkhar MLA ka Maukarwat constituency upa Adelbert Nongrum, MLA ka North Shillong constituency, bat upa Charles Marngar, MLA ka Mauhati constituency. Haba ai Jingkynrei bat ai Jingmut na kaliang upa Charles Marngar u MLA ka Mauhati constituency halor ka ni kaman. Ulapun pau ke Jing Sokya jong ka Jingkynrei jong drugs bagi Jing Snew ki balawan ra haka imlang ka salang ka bau laong kat kum balayo I bat sakhi lengba na kilat pathai kubor bat na ka Jingyo bat Kikun hun sang balang bat kiwe udrox uklakta shisha ye ke imlang ka salang kamtam ha ka jingi dei para brio kaba ka mensim jingi tiplem para brio kam dan shu haba a jingmun kumno ban la ban tehlakam la ne ban khanglat ya ka Jingkynrei jong udrox ba chal sulong baladun kam ban thau da kikun hun bakarpang ha ka jilla ban tehlakam ye ka Jingkynrei jong udrox kaba ha ka ne ka kun hun dei ban don kinong mikman Kibreu na katanat pulin na katanat ka koi kekia katanat pule puti bat kikun hun trimon ngobha lani kisang balang bat kinong yelam jong kikun hun balang baper nalor katei ban thawru ye kikun hun bakarpang haman la kisnong ki thaw lengba ki Dorbar snong kabaya kane di ban simkia bat yelam na katanat CNRD blog kibadon haman la ki district jong kajila kiban pe perman But I jing hikai ru nakapor shakapor ye kinong shoshnong khantam ki kun samla ki bompat ngop haga jing di drugs but kumju ru ban thawla thawlenti nagabanta ki tu ki balangop haga jing di drugs khaddu hashwa bon punkot ya ga Jingkynrei nu ba Charles la yawer ye baro kinong mi khaman ban yatli but ban ai ka Jingkynrei lang ka ba khlam sange la konturu ya ka sorkar bakan shimkhia bat le ya ka badon kam khlam da pun slam
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir, for allowing me to participate on this motion brought by the honorable member from Nongkrem constituency. When we talk about the drug menace, it is an issue we are all familiar with. We have seen its impact on social media. We have heard about from various organizations and even the church continues to raise concern about it. It has affected our society deeply, socially, morally, and spiritually. As one of the members of this August House, before I continue my speech, Mr. Chairman, sir, I have to ask myself, what I have done on this very serious issue. This motion I take as a challenge to all of us as the member of this August House, whether we have done something or not. As the member who representing our state. Mr. Chairman, sir, I'm standing here not to repeat what has already been said by my fellow honorable members. Instead, I rise to offer few concrete suggestions which I believe could help us to tackle this growing crisis. Suggestion number one, sir. I would like to suggest a government formation of a state-level special committee on drug menace. Let the government consider setting up a special committee at the state level dedicated to addressing the drug menace. This committee should include representatives from the police department, health department, education department, NGOs, and also faith-based organizations. Another suggestion, sir, I would like to suggest to our government to form a committee at the CNRD block level. I suggest that a committee be formed in each and every CNRD block to be headed by the BDOs. This committee will help monitoring and coordinate anti-drug activities at the grassroots level. Suggestion number 3, sir. The formation of village level committee. Each BDO should take the initiative to form a committee in every village, both in urban and rural areas. These committees should include local leaders, youth representatives, and also the member of the church, the local church, of other religious institutions, so that the community takes ownership of the problems. Suggestion number 4, sir. I would like to suggest that our government should establish more counseling centers. This is a dire need to set up more counseling centers in every district. These centers will offer support and rehabilitation services to drug users and will play a key role in prevention and recovery. Mr. Speaker, sir, in conclusion, I will not take much time. Drug abuse is not just a personal issue. It is a community issue, a society issue, and a moral issue. Therefore, sir, our fight against drugs must be united, inclusive, and continuous. I once again urge the government to consider this suggestion with sincerity and urgency. With these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, once again, thank you so much